using what is usually my meter change. So get some coffee. So today I'm at Devil's Food, cold brew. It's pretty damn good. I'm deciding today that I kind of want to switch things up a little bit. I've been having like the past few vlogs kind of feel a little bit repetitive in what we're doing, and I get it, man. Everyone has their morning routines, everyone has this, that. They do their own thing, I get it. Today I'm gonna try to switch it up a bit. It's supposed to rain like all day today. Here, look. It's sunny now, but it says it's supposed to rain like all day. Anyways, rest of the day, you guys know me, morning coffee, gotta have it or I do not function. I'm about to head over to boot camp. It seems like every single day we have boot camp. Boot camp is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. It's not every day. Today is just Thursday. I'm about to go meet up with Alan. Just got a little bit of work to do. Okay, so finished up with coffee. It's about 8:20. Depending on traffic, I might be just on time for boot camp. Like I said, we're switching this up a bit, so trying to go do something different. Alan will be joining this vlog in about, I'm gonna say 40 minutes. It's not gonna be 40 minutes, but you know what I mean. Running kind of late to boot camp. Yeah.
Boom, what's up?
Alan said he's on his way. I talked about this with him earlier, about his whole thing with time. How time management is so critical. This might be a bad comparison, so stop me if it is, but think about it like this. A person's personal life and their time management is completely their own decision. It's like when you ask a smoker to stop smoking. You can give them all the reasons, consequences of smoking. You can give them everything bad, the facts, the science behind why smoking sucks. But at the end of the day, it's gotta be their decision. That's the same thing that happened with Alan. I bug him about being on time. At the end of the day, it's his decision. Moving on. I'm feeling good, feeling ready to get after it. It's gonna be good. So there's that.
She's still going. Hello, Jason. Javier.
Let's go, ladies. And Jason.
All right, so to kind of sum up what I've been up to, for the past 4 hours, I've been re-editing and re-putting together drunk questions. You should remember that we have been hyping this whole thing up. We asked you guys to give us questions on Instagram, and it was gonna be this awesome, awesome video, and it was. It kind of got deleted, so oops. It's all back together now. It's perfect. I'm ready to upload it. In fact, it'll probably be uploaded before this video, so scratch all of that. Make sure you watch the Drunk Questions video. It's hilarious. I'm heading downtown. I told you guys we're switching it up, so I'm taking you guys downtown Denver to check out some of the spots down there that I like the best, and I think we're gonna run into Alan up there. All right, bye. Just got downtown. They said it was gonna rain all day, and it's yet to rain one single drop. But hey, let's check out Denver. Been legitimately one of my favorite spots in all of Denver. Right on Larimer Street here. Awesome. told you, my coffee is sacred. Alright, so the place I'm at right now, this is called The Market. It's right here on Larimer Street, and it's fantastic. It's just got a really good, fun atmosphere going on. Dang it. Just spilled a lot of coffee, and this lovely lady here, she's giving me a new cup of coffee.
Thank you. Have a good one.
That was the nicest lady at the market. I've never before been to a coffee shop where I've spilled my coffee and they've actually taken pity on me. So I'm here in, what's this place called? The Kettle Arcade. I've been here before, Alan and I have been here before. The Green Russell, right down there. One of my favorite spots just because it's definitely unique to the area. I'm not having the best of luck with coffee today. Spilled it on my shoes, then got a new cup of coffee and proceeded to spill that one, a little bit on my new vest, so yeah. How on earth did you answer your phone that quickly? Alright, well I'll see you in a sec. Alright, later. I don't know how people answer their phones that quickly. It didn't even ring.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Funny thing is, I remember when this place was not busy at all.
Yeah.
Like it used to just be completely vacant.
Yeah.
All the time.
It was the scariest place.
Yeah, because it was creepy. It looked like it was run down and beaten up, and now it's like there's people everywhere.
Very nice.
They just gave it a whole facelift over here. Look at it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, of course. Thank you. Have a good one.
Have a great day. Be safe.
Yeah. Almost got in trouble. People down here are super nice. Just got to be cooperative, or else they beat your ass. People down here are nice. That's a pretty big benefit from like places like where do people suck? New York.
There goes a sight from my soul.
Anytime a bird just like walks over, are you ever like scared if a bird walks over and just gonna get shot on for no reason? We had our fun downtown and now we're actually gonna head to Bailey. What do we got in store over here, Alan? Let's just
Mudding. Not too hard of a mudding, but just enough. Just enough to get the wheels wet.
It doesn't really count then. You idiot.
So aggressive.
All right, so we're back now. Where are we heading? Bailey or Deckers?
Deckers.
Deckers. Road trip snacks.
Pistachios.
See you guys in Deckers. I look completely not dressed for anything out here. I found this massive rock.
This baby.
Had to stop at the big rock. Still mobile on these Converse. Where did Alan go? Real quick. Jesus Christ. Alright, so we decided to try and find our way to Devil's Head. Literally running everywhere today just to get a photo. But it is going to be a sick photo. Look at this. Made it to Devil's Head.
Road closed.
Don't mind that road closed sign.
I'm tired. Let's go back.
So we're quickly losing daylight.
This is starting to sound like a Man vs. Wild episode.
Hey, look at that! We found the trailhead. Oh, actually, we didn't. Oh, you can see where the top is, though. Here, look. We made it to the trailhead. There's a little sign that says no water at tower. Alan, what does that mean?
There's no water at tower.
It means it's a far trail. It's almost 8 o'clock. So, back down in Denver. In 3, 2, 1. Back in Denver. 9 o'clock now. Call a day on that. See you guys later.